Hello, welcome to our money management revision video. I'm going to be looking at the June 2015 paper. Here we're looking at question 2, which is about the tourist shop. Now in the datasheet you have this datasheet here, which is a shop selling goods to tourists, advertises the following offers. Now you need to be careful when you actually read all of this. So this says a London guide was £6.99. Now it's £5.49. The sweatshirts here were £19.99, now £14.99. Okay, so that's quite clear. Now these type of questions, please make sure you read all of it. So it's a teddy bears, choose one from, so you have a choice of 3. And it says they are £13.50, buy one, get one 50% off. So that's 50% off, which is like half price. Okay, so remember that. And the other one, the London toys, you have the bus, the taxi, and the telephone box, and all now 22% off. Okay, so make sure you actually have that in mind when you answer these questions. Okay, let's try the first question. The first question is, Simran buys a London bus. So a London bus. The usual price of the London bus is £5.50. That's where we get it from. How much does she pay? Now in this question, number 1, let's write it down. Number 1, okay. So she has bought a London bus for £5.50. And here it says 22% off. Now what we have to do, whenever you see 22% or anything with that percentage sign, you automatically know that it's 22 over 100. That's what percent means. It means out of 100. So I want to find out first of all, what is 22% of 550? So I tap this in my calculator. I just type in 5.50 times 22 divided by 100, and that gives me 0.22. 0.22. Okay, sorry, I don't mean 0.22. If you type in 5.50 times 22 over 100, which means divided by 100, you get 1.21. which is £1.21. So this is telling us that 22% of £5.50 is £1.21. Now I want to know how much she's going to pay on the £5.50, because remember it's 22% off, and 22% off means minus. I have to minus it by this value. So that tells me I have to do £5.50 take away £1.21, tap that into my calculator, so it's £5.50 take away 1.21, because remember that is 22% of £5.50. That gives me £4.29. So my answer is £4.29. Okay, so now let's do question number 2. Exactly the same. This time I want you to do it, please. So this one is saying, Simran also wants to buy a London taxi. The usual price of the London taxi is £3.50. How much does she pay? Now remember, it's 22% off. So please have a go, pause, release the pause, and see if you've got it right. Welcome back. So exactly the same as our previous solution. So this time the London taxi is £3.50 times 22%. I want to find out 22% of £3.50, which is 77p. Once I know it's 77p, remember I have to take it off the £3.50. So it's £3.50 take away minus 0.77, which is 22% of £3.50, and that gives me a value of £2.73. Hope you got that right. Okay, let's look at question 3. Now question 3 is a little bit more complex. It's saying Paul buys a London guide which costs £5.49 when on offer. What percentage discount is he given? Remember, discount is minus. Okay, and we want to find out the percentage. Okay, now here this gives us the value when the discount is applied. We have to find out the percentage, so it's reverse to this one that we looked at. So let's have a look at this question. So we know that the cost of the London guide is £6.99 full price. Okay, with the discount, whatever the discount is, we have to find out. It is £5.49. Now I have to find out what is the saving. So we take the original price, which is £6.99, away from the price when the discount is applied, which is £5.49. Okay, which gives me £1.50. Okay, so that's £1.50. So that's my saving, yeah? So I know that the percentage discount is £1.50, because that's what I'm saving, over the total of £6.99, which was the original price. Okay, and because I want to find out what is a percentage, I times by 100. Okay, so let's see what the value is here. I type this in my calculator. 1.50 divided by 6.99 times 100, and I get 21.45. Now I want to express that as a percentage, so what I need to do is to put this into one decimal place. So I cross the line here, and because the number here is a 5, I have to increase this by 1. Okay, so it gives us a percentage discount of 21.5%. Okay, a little bit complex. Anyway, your turn now. Number 4. Number 4 is exactly the same, but this time it says Nick buys a sweatshirt which costs £14.99 when on offer. That's with a discount. What percentage discount is he given? Now this is exactly the same as the first question. Have a go. Welcome back. This is the answer. So exactly the same. So it says Nick buys a sweatshirt which costs him £14.99 after the discount when on offer. What percentage do you want? So you get the original price, which is £19.99, and you take away, let me put the takeaway sign, you take away the price now, which is £14.99, to find out the saving. So it's a £5 saving. So I want to see what percentage £5 out of £19.99 is. So I'll put the £5 over the original price, £19.99, times 100, because remember I want to find out the percentage, and the percentage is 25%. I hope you got the right answer. Okay, let's look at question number 5 now. It says the price of a teddy bear is £13.50. Samira buys 2 teddy bears. How much does she pay for the 2 teddy bears? So I know that here it says choose teddy bears, buy one, get one at 50%. 50% off is half price. So what I have to do, the first thing I have to do is to divide this £13.50 by 2. So I need to find out half price of this, which equals £6.75. Okay, so in my answer here, the first teddy bear would be full price, so it would be £13.50. So let's write that down. That would be £13.50, and the second teddy bear will be half price, so that would be £6.75. Okay, now because I want to find out the total, I have to add. So it's £13.50 plus 6.75, because remember that is half price. And what does she pay to get all together? It's £20.25. So it equals £20.25. Okay, right. Let's have a look at the other question now. Okay, let's look at the next question. Tanisha buys a mug for £15. She is given a staff discount of 18%. How much does she pay? Now, the first thing, whenever we see the sign 18%, we know it's 18 over 100. In other words, 18 divided by 100. So how do we write this? So whenever we see anything with a percent sign, it's 18%. Okay? And she buys a mug for £15. So I want to find out what is 18% of £15. So I do £15 times 18 over, which is divided by 100, because that's 18%, which equals £2.70. Okay, now £2.70 is 18% of £15. Now I want to know how much does she pay for the mug. So the mug original price is £15. She's given a staff discount of 18%. We have found out 18% of £15, which is £2.70. So remember, because it's a discount, means minus £2.70. Now tapping that on my calculator, £15 minus £2.70 equals £12.30. So she's paying £12.30. Okay? Okay, the last question. It's your turn now. It says, Anita buys a London taxi and a London guide at the tourist shop. So she buys a London guide and a London taxi at the tourist shop. Calculate the total amount that Anita is charged. Now I want you to have a go at this and then come back and look at the answer. So let's have a look at this. So the London guide is £5.49. It tells me there, yeah? £5.49. So write that down. So London guide is £5.49 and my London taxi is £3.50, and remember it's 22% off. So here I've got my £3.50 times 22%, which is 0.77. Now I need to take this off the original price, which is £3.50, and because it's a discount, we minus. That gives me £2.73. Okay, so I've got £2.73 here. It wants me to find out calculate the total amount she paid. So what I need to do, I need to add the £5.49 plus the £2.73 of the London taxi. Right, so if I add that up, that's 5.49 plus, because it's a total, £2.73. That gives me a total of £8.22. Okay, so the answer is £8.22p. That's your answer. I hope you got that. Thank you very much. So that's the end of question 2. Please go back and replay the video again if you didn't understand any of it. I'm sorry about all the mess here. Anyway, but it doesn't matter. So please make sure you understand this. Thank you very much.